let us continue with the pointers topic. In the previous video, I explained about the arrays and pointers. Now let us see what is arrays of pointers. So a group of arrays will be there. So those represent pointers, arrays of pointers. So it's nothing but it is a collection of addresses. So arrays of pointers means it is a collection of addresses or collection of pointers. So pointer itself is, you call it as an address. So arrays of pointers means collection of addresses. So how we declare the arrays of pointer? Declaration. First data type, pointer, pointer name, and the size of an array. So here in previous pointers and arrays, what we had taken, first we declare the array, after that the base address is assigning to the pointer. So that is the arrays and pointers. Then arrays of pointers means a collection of addresses. How we store the collection of addresses? So a pointer name and the size, it indicates a collection of addresses. Okay. So let us see how we declare it in the example. Int is the data type, pointer p of 5. Pointer p of 5. So this represents an array. So this is an array of pointers, that can hold 5 integer element addresses. So here it stores the 5 integer elements addresses. So arrays of pointers, collection of addresses. So 5 integer element addresses will be stored in P of pointer P of 5. P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of 4, which holds the 5 integer element addresses. Now let us see the initialization. So here we have seen the declaration, now see the initialization. So the same for that, whatever we have seen, the address is used for, ampersand symbol is used for initialization. So the same example, int a of 3. So it's a general 10, 20, 30. Int pointer p of 3, comma I. So to access this, we need for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, P of I is equal to address of A of 5. So that will be assigned to the pointer. So this is a initialization of a array of pointers. So first you have to declare the array of pointers. So here the 3 elements that holds the address of the elements, pointer P of 3. So when this each pointer can be accessed by using this. This is the initialization. P of I is equal to address of A of I. Now let us see the program of this array of pointers. So here this is the declaration and initialization. Now let us see the accessing also. Then we will see the program. So here accessing, how we can access the array of pointers, accessing. So for accessing the array of pointers, we need the indirection operator. So indirection operator, that is pointer, is used for accessing. Okay. So let's see the example how to access the array of pointers. You have to use a for loop. So to access the array, you need for loop. So array of pointers means for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. You have to use a printf for accessing the elements. That is pointer p of I. So this is the accessing of element. Now let us see the program for this. Program for array of pointers. Hash include stdio.h. Okay. Now writing the main program. First I am declaring the array of 3 elements, that is initializing 10, 20, 30. So this is a single dimensional array. So after that I want to declare the array of pointers, pointer of 3 and I for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, you have to assign the each address of an array of element to the pointer variable. So after that we have to print that pointer variable. You have to, if you want to get the value of that, this is p of I now holds the address. So if you represent pointer p of I means it prints whatever the value that is present in that address location. So p of I is equal to address of a of I. Now printf elements of the array or. So for printing each value by using the pointers means you need to write the for loop. Printf %d, I am using the tab space for each element, pointer p of I. So pointer p of I means it prints the values, and this it holds the address. P of I holds the address, pointer p of I holds the value of that in that address. Close the main. Then what will be the output here? The output is first elements of array or. So here I already initialize the arrays. So this is a compile time initialization. So directly it prints elements of array or 10, 20, 30. So with tab space. So this is about the array of pointers. Thank you.